Hello learners, welcome back to Learner's Galaxy. It's day 8 and today we are going to learn logical functions, a powerful tool that allows you to create complex conditions and make decisions within your spreadsheet. So today's target is mastering logical functions like if, and, or, and nested if. So let's jump into it. So let's start with if function, the most basic logical function in Excel. If checks whether a condition is true or false and then returns one value if true and another if false. So let's check if the sales amount in column D meets or exceed the sales target in column E. To do that, we have to put the formula equal to and then we will give the logical test. After that, we will give if true value and then if false value. So as you can see, we got the result and now we just have to drag it down to get it for the selected data. Now let's make our logic more complex with the AND function. AND allows you to check multiple conditions at once and it only returns true if all the conditions are met. So let's check if the both sales target are met and if bonuses is at least 1000. To do that, we have to put the formula equal to and then logic 1 and after that logic 2. So as you can see, we got our result and we will just need to drag it down to get it for the selected dataset. Now the OR function. OR function works similarly, but it only requires one of the condition to be true. If any of the conditions are true, the OR returns true. Now let's check if the sales target is met or if the bonus is at least 1000. To do that, we have to put the formula equal to or and then we will put the first logic. After that, we will put the second logic. So we got our result. Now we just have to drag it down to get it for the selected dataset. Finally, let's combine these functions to create nested if statement, which allows you to evaluate multiple conditions in sequence. Let's check if the sales target is met. If it is, then it returns met target. If not, so we will check if the sales amount is at least 90% of the target. If that's true, it will return almost there, otherwise it will return below target. To do that, we have to put the formula equal to, after that we will give first logic, then the value if true, after that we will put another if, then the second logic, then the value if true and after that value if false. So here we have used nested if. We can insert multiple if functions within existing function, but try not to use more than 3 or 4 if statements altogether. Thank you. I hope you liked our session and we will meet in our next video with another amazing topic.